Americans have huge, double-door refrigerators, yet they still shop for groceries every week. It's a paradox born from a cultural clash, our desire for abundance versus our obsession with freshness. After World War II, the giant fridge became a status symbol of suburban prosperity. Car culture and bulk buy stores made large grocery runs the norm, and refrigerators grew to hold all the abundance. Despite having the space, we don't trust it. We're obsessed with a freshness that means bought recently, leading to about 1.5 grocery trips a week. Food in the store feels more vital than food in our own fridge, which often leads to waste. Economics are also a key factor. Shoppers hunt for weekly specials to manage budgets. Retailers capitalize on this with promotions, knowing we'll make impulse buys. Plus, bulk buying often leads to overconsumption, not savings. Finally, the grocery trip is a cultural ritual. It provides a sense of order and accomplishment in a chaotic week. Giving up this habit would disrupt a core part of our modern domestic rhythm. Does this paradox resonate with you? Let us know your routine in the comments. Liking and subscribing helps us explore more of these cultural habits that define our lives. The giant fridge is a monument to past ambition, while the weekly shop is a product of our present anxieties and rituals. We bought the fridge to feel prepared, but we shop weekly to feel in control. The next time you open your oversized, half-empty refrigerator, ask yourself, is this appliance serving me or am I serving it?